Okay, welcome back to the part 2 video for module 3, lesson 1, day 1, graphs of functions. You were assigned to do number 4 from the bottom of the notes page as homework, so you should have plugged in the table, had it look something like this. And then for the domain and range, this is a cubic function. So this is going up and out forever and down and out forever. So with that nature for my x's, if it's continuing to work its way out to the left and right forever, there's no restriction on the domain. It's just all real numbers. And then again, similar to the line, if it's continuing to also go up and down forever, no restriction on the range, all real numbers. And that is it for that particular question. If you're still struggling, you need to make sure you're coming to see me so that I can give you some support. Moving to the lesson 1, day 1 homework. We're using this class period to continue that practice, doing it the exact same way. So you will be doing number 1, A and B, practicing doing the table, identifying the actual domain and range from these particular functions. Number 2 is a review question. So are 3 and 4. Again, we're reviewing for the region, so we want to keep our topics up to date. So you will be needing to practice those out. What I'm going to ask you to do is to please be honest. I want to be able to give you some support right now, so please stop the video and then come back to check it for the homework. Make sure that you're correct. But do it yourself first. You will learn nothing from copying the video. Alright, so go ahead, whole thing, give it a try, and we got the whole class period anyway. Make sure you're asking for help. And I'll see you for the lesson 1, day 2 video. And I think I probably will be calling it, no, it'll just be a new video, module 3, lesson 1, day 2. Good luck. See me if you got questions. Alright, so again, you will learn nothing if you haven't done it all for yourself first, but checking out your table, this is what it should look like. And again, because it's a line, domain and range, all real numbers, there are no restrictions. And then for B, this is another exponential function. You saw that nice J shape. And again, it's going on forever to the left, up and out forever to the right. So the domain has no restriction. And because it's only positive and it never crosses the x-axis, we would say all real numbers y greater than 0 for the range. And then number 2, you have to determine which of these expressions is an irrational number. So to be irrational means it goes on forever with no pattern. It cannot become a fraction. These are already fractions. Square root of 5 times the square root of 5, if you checked it in your calculator, is just 5. Again, that's rational. Square root of 49 is 7. 3 times 7 is 21. Also rational. The only thing that was not is this 2. Square root of 2. So answer 1 is it. Okay, and then taking a look for number 3, which inequality is represented by the graph. We kind of want to reverse our process that we would use to graph it. So I start by looking at the line and determine what I know about it. Is it solid or dashed? And then how is it shaded? Is it above or below? So solid and below told me I needed to have greater than or equal to. Then I have to look at the y-intercept and the slope and match it up to the proper equations, and that matched up to choice 2. Then last, the cost of belonging to a gym can be modeled by C of M equals 50M plus 79.50, where C of M is the total cost for M months of membership. State the meaning of the slope and the y-intercept of the function with respect to the cost associated with your gym membership. Again, I thought back to y equals mx plus b. M is how we move, it's the one attached to the x. B is where we begin. So my slope is $50 per month. What it costs me each month to pay for my membership, while my y-intercept, where I begin, is how much it costs to start up or join. That's it for this particular video. Look out for lesson 1, day 2. We'll have notes and homework again.